Hi everyone! Welcome to English Practice Every Day, the best way. I'm Kevin, and I'm super excited to be here with you today.
And I'm Jane. We are so glad you joined us for another episode. Today, Kevin, we're talking about something I think everyone wants to achieve, speaking English fluently. It sounds like a big goal, doesn't it?
It really does, Jane. And sometimes, when people hear fluency, they imagine someone speaking super fast with perfect grammar and a huge vocabulary. But honestly, it's not always like that, especially when you're starting out. Fluency is more about speaking easily and naturally.
Exactly. And we're going to show you a simple way to get there. But first, Kevin, how are you today? What's new?
I'm doing really well, Jane, thank you. This morning, I actually had a funny little conversation with my dog. Just saying good morning, buddy, and are you ready for your walk? It's not human conversation, but it's still practice speaking English out loud, even if he doesn't answer.
That's great. My cat mostly just stares at me when I try to talk to her in English. But I totally get it. Even talking to yourself can be helpful. For me, I made some coffee earlier and I was thinking about my weekend plans in English. Just small things, like I need to buy some groceries or I want to watch a movie. It's just simple thinking and talking in my head.
That's perfect, Jane, and that's actually a fantastic warm-up for our topic today. Many of our listeners want to speak English easily without thinking too much. They want to connect with people, share their ideas, and just chat.
Yes, they want to feel comfortable and confident. But often, people feel stuck. They learn words, they learn grammar, but speaking still feels hard. They worry about making mistakes.
And that's completely normal. We all feel that way sometimes, even in our own language. But today, we want to tell you a secret weapon for fluency: simple conversation.
Simple conversation. It sounds almost too easy, doesn't it? What exactly do we mean by that, Kevin?
Good question. Simple conversation means talking about everyday topics, things you already know about, things that are part of your daily life. Think about it: your day, your hobbies, what you ate for breakfast, your favorite color, the weather, your family. These are all perfect topics.
So, not talking about, say, the latest scientific discoveries or complex history?
No, definitely not. Unless you want to, of course. But for building fluency, we start small. We talk about the simple, common things. Imagine you're just chatting with a friend in your native language. What do you talk about? It's usually simple, everyday stuff, right?
Absolutely. Most of our daily conversations are not deep philosophical debates. They are about how our day was, what we watched on TV, or what we're planning for dinner.
Exactly. And why is this so powerful for building fluency, Jane? Why not jump straight to complex topics?
Well, there are a few big reasons. First, as you said, it builds confidence. When you can speak about something simple, you feel good. You think, hey, I can do this. I can speak English. And that feeling is really important. It makes you want to speak more.
That confidence is like fuel for your English journey. Without it, you might feel too shy or scared to even try.
Right. Second, when you talk about simple things, you use common words and phrases. These are the words you hear every day, the words you need every day. So you practice them a lot. Repetition is super important for your brain to remember and use them naturally.
Yes, it's like building a strong foundation for a house. You start with the most important, basic bricks. If you try to build the roof first, it won't work.
That's a great analogy. And third, simple conversation helps with natural flow and pronunciation. When you're not thinking too hard about complicated grammar or rare words, you can focus on making your words sound natural. You learn to put sentences together smoothly.
It's true. It helps your mouth get used to making English sounds, and your brain get used to English sentence patterns. It's less stressful, so you can relax and just speak.
So, how can our listeners actually start having these simple conversations? What's the first step?
The easiest way is to ask and answer simple questions. Let's try some right now. I'll ask you a simple question, Jane, and you give a simple answer. And for all our listeners out there, we want you to answer out loud too. Pretend you're talking to us. Don't just listen, speak.
I love this idea. I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, first one. What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I went to the park and read a book. Simple.
Perfect. Now, listeners, what did you do yesterday? Say it out loud. Pause for listener to answer.
My turn to ask you, Kevin. Do you like to cook?
Yes, I really like to cook. I made pasta last night. It was delicious. Listeners, do you like to cook? What's your favorite food to make? pause.
Another one for you, Jane. What's the weather like today where you are?
Here, it's a bit cloudy, but not too cold. It's actually quite pleasant. And you, listeners, what's the weather like where you are right now? Is it sunny? Rainy? Cold? Pause.
Okay, one more. What kind of music do you like, Kevin?
I like many kinds of music, but I listen to a lot of pop music and rock music. It makes me happy. How about you, dear listeners? What kind of music do you enjoy? Pause.
See how easy that is? These are basic questions, basic answers. But every time you say something, even a short sentence, you are practicing. You are building those connections in your brain.
Yes, and you're training your mouth to make the sounds. Sometimes, people know the words in their head, but when they try to speak, it feels strange or difficult. This kind of practice helps with that.
Absolutely. It's like muscle memory. The more you use those English muscles in your mouth and your brain, the stronger and faster they become.
So, our advice for you is, don't wait for a perfect moment or a perfect situation. Just start talking. You can talk to yourself in English. Describe what you see around you. This is a table. The table is brown.
Or talk about your plans. I want to drink water. I will go to the kitchen. It might feel silly at first, but it's super effective.
And if you have a friend who also wants to practice English, make a plan to have simple conversations with them, even if it's just for 5 minutes a day.
Exactly. Don't worry about sounding perfect. Worry about speaking. Even if you make a mistake, it's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn. The important thing is to keep trying.
Yes, think of it like this. A baby learns to talk by making lots of sounds and simple words first, right? They don't start with long, complex sentences. They say mama, dada, milk, and then slowly they build more words and sentences.
That's a great comparison, Jane. You are like that baby learning English. Start with your mama and dada in English. Start with hello, how are you? I am fine.
And you'll be amazed at how quickly those simple conversations can lead to more complex ones, once you build that solid foundation. Fluency isn't about never making a mistake. It's about being able to communicate your ideas easily.
And simple conversation is your highway to easy communication. Imagine ordering food at a restaurant. Hello, I would like a coffee and a sandwich, please. Simple, direct, and completely fluent in that situation.
Or asking for directions. Excuse me, where is the train station? It's straight ahead, then turn left. These are real, everyday fluent conversations.
So, please, dear listeners, take this message to heart. Don't be afraid. Embrace simple conversations. Speak, speak, speak.
Even if it's just a few words, it's a start. And every start is progress.
That's beautifully said, Jane. Every small step is a step towards your goal of speaking English fluently.
So, to recap everything we've talked about today, if you want to speak English fluently, the best way to start is with simple conversations. Focus on everyday topics. This helps you build confidence, practice common words, and develop a natural flow when you speak.
And remember our challenge. Practice speaking out loud. Answer simple questions, describe your day, talk to yourself, or find a practice partner. The more you speak, the closer you get to fluency.
Now, we have a question for you, our amazing listeners, to answer in the comments below. What is your favorite simple topic to talk about in English? Maybe it's your hobbies, or what you plan to do this weekend, or your favorite food.
Yes, let us know. We love reading your comments, and your ideas can give other listeners great new topics to try.
And if you found this episode helpful and enjoyable, please make sure to give us a big thumbs up by hitting that like button.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Practice Every Day for more easy and practical English lessons.
And please, share this episode with your friends, your family, or anyone who wants to speak English more fluently. Let's help them find the best way.
Thanks so much for spending your time with us today. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, simple conversations lead to fluent English.
We'll be back next time with another episode of English Practice Every Day, the best way. Bye, everyone.
See you.